In this video I am going to show you how you can make a professional thumbnail for YouTube videos. So let me show you. Let's get into the screen. So first of all, for the background erasing, you need to download this application. So this application separate a image background on automatically. So it uses AI to remove the background. So let it install this software. So installing is completed, you can see. So now you need to open this application. So click on agree. So as you can see, there is two options, one is camera and one is album. So you need to click on album to insert a image. So after inserting the image, you can see it's going to automatically separate the background. So this is the background, you can see automatically separating. So you need to do some little adjustment here and there, you can see on this side. On this side you can see you need to repair here. Like this. So now it's perfect. Now it's perfect, okay, you can see. Now save the image. We are gonna use this image to make our thumbnail. So now you need to open Pixellab. So you need to select the image size, then click on custom, then select the YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, the YouTube thumbnail aspect ratio is selected. Now you need to insert the image. As you can see, I insert the image, and then you need to adjust the alignment. So you can see I adjust the alignment like this. So you need to add some stroke and some borders to make it pops, to make it some vibrant and eye catchy. So adjusting some saturation contrast, so this image look some cleaner. So as you can see, the image look now cleaner. So you need to now add some stroke. So I keep it with yellow. So you can see, you can select the colors here. Any colors you prefer, you can select from here. So let me adjust the color a little bit, then we are going to add some shadow. So add some shadow, any color shadow you can do here. As you can see, the image look already some decent pop-ups, you can see it's looking professional. So then you need to add some text. So select on text. So as you can see, the text here, you can type anything here. So I am typing here YouTube thumbnail. With a phone. Keep it YouTube thumbnail in mobile. Keep it like this. YouTube thumbnail. I need to now add some font. You can see there is lot of font here, but I am going to use a font, a custom font that is called Impact. So I need to download the font. So let's download the font, add some color on the font. You can see you can add some background to make it more like this. As you can see, this text looks more professional now. You can see like this. Now this text look more professional. So let me adjust a little bit. Let me adjust a little bit to make it more suitable. Now you can see I can add a arrow like this and add a arrow, red arrow. You can see the class. You can point it anywhere from here. You can see and adjust it height and width to make it more suitable. And then you need to add some text. I am adding some text here. You can see. So I am going to make it bigger to make it more pops, to make eye catchy, so people can see it and click on this video. So you can see you need to download a font to make it more pops. So you can download this font. I am using this font is for thumbnail. Many YouTubers use this font to make their thumbnail. There's the Impact font, you can see. So you need to download the Impact font from any website you can prefer. So let me download the so after that you need to insert the font. As you can see, the all Impact font is here, and then you need to select any one you can choose. So this is the font, so I'm going to use this font. So adjust some color and background to make it more eye catchy. So let me add some background, text background, to make it more pop. Let me select the font for the top text, so it's going to look more professional. So for that you can download some PNG from here on Google. mobile PNG to make it more like a professional thumbnail. So any mobile phone picture could be good for this thumbnail. So I'm going to use this PNG. So let me add the PNG. So this is the PNG I'm going to use. So you can see the PNG background do not separate from downloading, so you need to manually do that. So click on this and adjust some volume to make it PNG, more like PNGs, and adjust the position and height to make it on a side. So I'm going to put it like this. So let me erase some texture of this to make it clean. So be careful when you download a PNG. It should be a PNG, not a JPEG. So this one is JPEG. So you need to erase something background like this. So you can see this thumbnail now is a look like a somehow professional, I think. So add some text background like this. So add some text color, so like this, to make it more professional. Now look at this thumbnail, you can see the difference. So you can make thumbnail like this. So and then adjust some little bit here and there and you ready to go. So that's the thumbnail making part for the YouTube video. So next video I'm going to show you how you can make a channel logo or a channel banner, any type of thing. So adjust here and there. Now you can save the PNG, like export image. Click on here and select the ultra and save to gallery. So now your image is rendering, it's going to save on your gallery and you can use it like a thumbnail. So that's it, the video. I'm going to cut this part. So that's the video. I'm going to come up with a new idea, then I'm going to make a video on another one. So that's it, goodbye. So that was the video. I hope you like this video. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.